Opinion Best VS Code Extensions for Web Development. 1. ESLint. ESLint is a tool that helps you find and fix problems in your JavaScript code. It can check your code for syntax errors, style issues, potential bugs, and best practices. ESLint is widely used by JavaScript developers and can be integrated with various editors and tools. The ESLint extension for VS Code is a plugin that allows you to use ESLint in your VS Code editor. It can automatically lint your code as you type, show you the problems in the editor, and fix some of them for you. It can also run ESLint as a task or a command. If you want to use the ESLint extension for VS Code, you need to install it from the VS Code Marketplace. You also need to have ESLint installed either locally or globally on your computer. You can do this by running npm install ESLint in your project folder or npm install GESLint for a global installation. You may also need to create an ESLint configuration file to customize the rules and settings for your project. 2. Debugger for Chrome. 3. Setting Sync. 4. Live Sass Compiler. 5. WebDev.